Welcome back to Best Health in Life. Have you ever considered the importance of vitamin D in your daily life? Most of us associate vitamin D with sunlight, but did you know that a deficiency in this crucial vitamin can lead to serious health risks? Imagine a world where your bones are weak and your immune system compromised. This is the reality for many individuals suffering from vitamin D deficiency. Today we are looking at the top 8 signs of vitamin D deficiency. Before we get started, please hit subscribe and ring the notification bell for more great content. 1. Fatigue. Let's kick things off with one of the most common signs of vitamin D deficiency, fatigue. If you find yourself feeling tired and run down all the time, it could be a red flag that your vitamin D levels are low. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin for a reason. It's produced in the skin in response to sunlight. But with our increasingly indoor lifestyles and concerns about sun exposure, many of us aren't getting enough of this vital nutrient. And the consequences can be more than just feeling a little sluggish. Studies have shown a strong correlation between vitamin D deficiency and chronic fatigue. When your body doesn't have enough vitamin D, it can impact your energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and exhausted. But the good news is, there are simple steps you can take to boost your vitamin D levels and banish that fatigue for good. Spending time outdoors, eating vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products, and even taking a daily supplement can all help. 2. Muscle weakness. Did you know that vitamin D plays a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy muscles? That's right, this sunshine vitamin is not just about bone health, but it also impacts our muscular system in profound ways. Let's break it down. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to muscle weakness. From impaired muscle contractions to decreased muscle strength, the effects of inadequate vitamin D levels can be far-reaching. But fear not, there are solutions. One of the best ways to boost your vitamin D levels naturally is through sunlight exposure and a balanced diet. Incorporating foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products can help ensure you're getting an ample dose of this essential vitamin. And don't forget to step outside and soak up some sun, your muscles will thank you. But what if you're still struggling with muscle weakness despite these efforts? Well, vitamin D supplements could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Witness the inspiring transformation of individuals who have overcome muscle weakness through proper supplementation and see how it has changed their lives for the better. In conclusion, the link between muscle weakness and vitamin D deficiency is undeniable. By taking proactive steps to ensure adequate vitamin D intake, you can support your muscles' health and overall well-being. Remember, a little sunshine goes a long way in keeping your muscles strong and resilient. 3. Bone health issues. Next up, let's talk about your bones. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones, so if you're experiencing frequent fractures or bone pain, it's worth getting your vitamin D levels checked. Vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium, which is vital for strong and healthy bones. But where do we get this important nutrient? Well, vitamin D is unique in that our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. It can also be found in foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. When we don't get enough vitamin D, our bodies can't effectively absorb calcium, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of bone health issues like osteoporosis and fractures. 4. Mood changes. Have you ever noticed how your mood can take a nosedive when the sun decides to hide behind the clouds? Well, it turns out there may be a scientific explanation for that. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mood changes and vitamin D deficiency. Imagine this. You're feeling down, irritable, and just can't seem to shake off that persistent feeling of melancholy. Could it be that your body is trying to tell you something? Studies have shown a strong correlation between low levels of vitamin D and mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in regulating mood and warding off those emotional blues. When our skin is exposed to sunlight, it triggers the production of vitamin D in our bodies. This important vitamin acts as a hormone that influences neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are known for their mood-regulating effects. But what happens when we don't get enough vitamin D? Well, that's when things can start to go haywire. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to an increased risk of mood disorders and can contribute to feelings of sadness, fatigue, and even seasonal affective disorder. 5. Hair loss. Yes, you heard that right, vitamin D deficiency can even impact your hair health. If you've been noticing more hair loss than usual, it might be time to look into your vitamin D levels. Let's begin by understanding the basics. Our hair follicles are like tiny factories that churn out those luscious locks we all adore. But did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in this process? Vitamin D receptors are present in the cells of hair follicles, and they are responsible for stimulating hair growth. Now, picture this: on one side, we have someone with radiant, voluminous hair, all thanks to their adequate intake of vitamin D. On the flip side, we see someone experiencing hair loss, which can be attributed to a deficiency in this essential nutrient. The correlation is crystal clear, isn't it? 6. Impaired wound healing. If you find that your cuts and bruises are taking longer to heal than normal, vitamin D deficiency could be to blame. This vitamin plays a key role in the body's wound healing process, so low levels can impede your body's ability to repair itself. When we get injured, our body initiates a complex series of events to repair the damage. One key player in this process is vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the proper functioning of our immune system and plays a crucial role in inflammation and tissue repair. Without an adequate level of vitamin D, our body's ability to heal wounds efficiently may be compromised. 7. Sweating excessively. Excessive sweating, also known as hyperhidrosis, can be a sign that your body is struggling with something beneath the surface. One common culprit? Vitamin D deficiency. When your body lacks vitamin D, it can impact your overall health in more ways than one. One of the lesser-known effects is its link to excessive sweating. Without enough vitamin D, your body's natural cooling system can go into overdrive, leading to increased sweating as it tries to regulate your internal temperature. Remember, your body is constantly sending you signals, and excessive sweating could be a clue that it's time to pay attention to your vitamin D levels. So, embrace the sunshine, nourish your body, and say goodbye to those pesky sweat stains. 8. Digestive issues. Last but not least, let's talk about your gut health. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, so if you're experiencing ongoing gut problems, consider checking your vitamin D levels. Our digestive system is like a well-oiled machine, responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and supporting our overall well-being. But did you know that this complex system plays a crucial role in the absorption and utilization of vitamin D? A healthy gut microbiome is essential for the proper absorption of vitamin D. When our gut is in optimal condition, it can efficiently absorb this vital nutrient, ensuring our bodies are equipped with the right levels of vitamin D to support various functions, from immune health to bone strength. The gut and vitamin D have a symbiotic relationship, with each influencing the other. When the gut microbiome is imbalanced or compromised, it can hinder the absorption of vitamin D, leading to potential deficiencies. Understanding this connection is crucial for managing digestive issues and ensuring adequate vitamin D levels. By maintaining a healthy gut through a balanced diet, probiotics, and lifestyle choices, we can support our overall health and well-being. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 8 signs of vitamin D deficiency that you should be on the lookout for. Remember, vitamin D is crucial for overall health and well-being, so if you suspect that you might be deficient, don't hesitate to speak with your healthcare provider and get tested. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.